Attention investors, renovators, or first-time buyers looking to get into the market. This 2.5-story, 4-bedroom, all-brick Century home located in the desirable Blakely neighborhood offers endless potential to restore to a beautiful family home. Or with a separate side entrance to a more than 7.5-foot waterproof basement, you could create a duplex for income or multi-generational living. We're situated on a deep 105-foot property directly across from St. Peter's Hospital, just steps to Gage Park, the Escarpment Rail Trail, with convenient access to transit and all downtown amenities. I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 35 Lorne Avenue. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.